welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Precision stamping is crucial. By synchronizing the massive hydraulic presses, we ensure the structural integrity of.
The pressure in Sector 4 is spiking again.
Adjusting the alignment parameters now. It's stabilizing.
Good. Maintain current levels.
Every vehicle is carefully assembled and tested for perfection. Every car is inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how cars are made, from start to finish.